The Tote shuttle robot is an automation solution independently developed by Deli Group, designed for the storage and retrieval of tote boxes, cartons, and other standardized unit loads. It features multiple transfer methods and high flexibility, making it adaptable to various package sizes. It is widely used in goods-to-person (GTP) picking systems, significantly enhancing the efficiency of warehouses, factories, or distribution centers. By deploying the Tote shuttle robots, storage density, accuracy, and throughput can be significantly improved. Deli Group offers two types of Tote shuttle robots: the 4-way shuttle robot and the 2-way shuttle robot. Custom shuttle vehicles can also be tailored to specific project requirements. Typical applications for the Tote shuttle robot include e-commerce order picking and inventory management, pharmaceutical storage, distribution and expiration date management, manufacturing part supply and temporary storage, lightweight cold chain logistics, storage and sorting, library material management and retrieval.